The aim of this video is to make you an expert of Google Earth Engine. Let's see which research will help us to become an expert on Google Earth Engine. Just search here uh, Earth Engine uh, educational research. Search here, and if you will see that, yes, I'm searching this Earth Engine resources for higher education. If we click on the link, we'll see English Japanese workshop and various resources are available here. I especially prefer this lecture very much, introductory remote sensing lecture, especially UC San Diego's School of Global Policy and Strategy, Center for Global Transformation. You will also find, I hope, very useful these resources. Also, there are a lot of resources are available in these pages. You can just scroll down and go through these resources available here, and I hope your understanding will be much better and clear. And if we go through this, also the developer resources, training resources, these are also very useful. Hope that this video will be very helpful and make you become expert on Google Earth Engine.